Porsche presented the new Generation 911 Turbo S for unprecedented power, driving dynamics and comfort. The harmonious design, which perfectly balances driving pleasure, dynamics and sportiness, is ideally suited for everyday use as well as the racetrack. The new front end with wider air intakes has a characteristic turbo look with dual front light modules as well as standard LED matrix headlights with dark inserts. The redesigned, pneumatically extendable front spoiler and the larger rear wing deliver 15% more downforce. The muscular rear wing sections with integrated air intakes emphasize the sleek body of the Porsche 911 Turbo S. For the first time, the Porsche 911 Turbo S transfers its power to the road with mixed tires in two different sizes. It has 20-inch tires with their unique 255/35 dimensions at the front and 21-inch 315/30 tires at the rear. The interior has a high-quality and sporty finish. The standard equipment list includes a full leather interior and carbon trim in combination with light silver accents. High-quality graphic elements and logos in the instrument cluster complete the characteristic Turbo S features. The center screen of the PCM is now 10.9 inches, and can be operated quickly and without distraction thanks to its new layout. The new 911 powered by a new 3.8-liter boxer engine with two VTG turbochargers, which delivers 650 horsepower, 70 horsepower more than its predecessor. Maximum torque is now 800 Nm. The turbo-specific 8-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung cuts the sprint from 0 to 100 km/h to 2.7 seconds, while top speed is 330 km/h. The leap in performance of this new generation is particularly noticeable in the sprint from 0 to 200 km/h, at 8.9 seconds. The new Porsche 911 Turbo S is 1 full second quicker than its predecessor. New equipment options underline the much sportier image of the all-wheel drive 911. These include the Porsche Active Suspension Management sports chassis that has been lowered by 10 mm and the sports exhaust system with adjustable flaps that guarantees a distinctive sound.